coset decomposition, let H be subgroup of group G and A be any element of G. Then the set HA defined by HA is equal to small h into A, where H belongs to capital H, is called right coset of H in G with respect to A. And suppose we have A into H, which is equal to A into small h, where H belongs to capital H, is called left coset of H in G with respect to A. HA is called right coset, AH is called left coset of H. Note, if A is congruent to B mod H, then it can be written as A is congruent to B mod H. And we know that suppose A is congruent to B mod N, so this can be written as N divides A minus B. So this implies A minus B is equal to Nk, where K is some positive integer. So again this implies A is equal to B plus Nk. One more definition. Index of a group. The number of distinct right or left cosets of the subgroup H of G is called index of a subgroup H in G and is denoted by this symbol. And it read as the index of H in G. So index of H in G is nothing but number of distinct right or left cosets of H in G. Now Lagrange's theorem. It is very important statement. If G is any finite group means it contains finite number of elements. If G is any finite group and H be any subgroup of Hg, then order of H divides order of G. Let order of G is equal to N and order of H is equal to M. Then we have to prove that M divides N. That is, if M divides N, we have to prove that N is equal to Km, where K is some positive integer. This is what we have to prove. Since G is finite, there are finite number of right or left cosets of H in G. So, suppose G has a K distinct right or left cosets of H, then HA1, HA2, HA3 and so on, HAKB distinct K distinct right or left cosets of G. And so now by this definition, so this index of H in G can be written in this way, and which is equal to K. Index means number of distinct right or left cosets of H in G. So this value is equal to K. And again, any two right or left cosets of H have same number of elements. And in particular, H itself is a right or left coset of H in G. And order of H is equal to M. Therefore, each right or left cosets of H will have M elements. And also, so G can be written as HA1 union HA2 union and so on HAK. Now taking order on both sides, order of G which is equal to order of HA1 plus order of HA2 and so on order of HAK. So order of HA1 is nothing but order of H. Order of HA2 is again order of H and so on. So these it has K elements. Therefore K into order of H, which is equal to K into M. Again order of G means N. Therefore N is equal to K into M. So this means M divides N. This implies order of H divides order of G.